What happens when you bury a speaker in sand and then throw it in water? Let's test this Xiaomi outdoor speaker the fun way, not just specs, but the actual beach use. First up, the sand test. This speaker is completely dust tight. Not just resistant, it's dust proof and still going strong. Now let's get it wet. It is IP67 rated, which also means it's built to handle splashes, rain, and even short accidental dips in water. Perfect for the beach, the poolside, or if you get caught in the rain on a hike. In case you're wondering, it's got 30 watts of surprisingly full sound, 12 hours of playtime at 50% volume, 2.5-hour charge time, and you can pair up to 100 units together with true wireless stereo mode. In the box, besides the speaker, you get a charging cable and some instructions. For the price, you're getting serious durability and volume without compromising on style or portability. If you want to grab one, I've got a link down in the description. Make sure to buy it while it's still in stock. Summer is coming fast. Check it out below and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video, and I will see you in the next one.